Archulero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today, I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely beautiful 1975 Honda Z50. These Honda Z50s are becoming extremely collectible. I'm really fond of this particular bike because I was born in '75. It's definitely a really cool machine. It was recently completely restored. It was done very correctly, unlike a lot of the Z50s that are currently on the market for sale. This particular bike was recently just restored from head to toe. It's an absolutely stunning show quality condition. We have serviced it. It runs beautiful. I personally have rode it. It's very cool. Beware that a lot of these bikes, even the ones that look this nice, are not really sorted out mechanically. This one is. Even the headlight and the tail light on this bike are in working order. For a complete description with tons of photos, you got to check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it, let you listen how beautiful it runs.